Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we are trying to do a Slytherin eye look, which you could definitely stop there, and Nagini. As most of you know, or some of you know, I'm a huge Potterhead. In middle school, I started reading the books for AR points because they did get a lot of points. And so I started reading them, and I just became so involved in them. Like, I literally read like the whole series within like a week or two. It took me maybe a full day to read a whole book. And I don't really read that much anymore, but they are still one of my favorite series. And so I just figured I would do a Harry Potter themed eye look, and then since Halloween is coming, I would try and do a snake. And since I'm doing Harry Potter Slytherin, why not do Nagini? If you don't know who that is Voldemort's snake. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I'll be geeking out on you guys, but she is actually a woman that's been turned into a snake. So I know I didn't do the greatest, but I definitely tried, so hopefully you guys still enjoy this look. And I just wanted to give a shout out to Rebecca Martin and Paige Pagano for commenting on my last video. I really appreciate your guys' support, and the first person to comment on this video will also get a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, because when you do, you are entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will start as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, and right now we are at 437. Do you guys know how close that is? Do you know? It's pretty close, so don't miss out. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I know this look didn't come out exactly how I pictured it, but as most of you know, I am a Potterhead. I do love Harry Potter. I started reading the books in like middle school, and I was reading them for AR points because they did get a lot of AR points, but the more I read, the more I loved them, and I just became like a huge Harry Potter fan. Anyway, I was trying to do a Slytherin look, but like not just the eyes, even though that's fun and you can totally stop at the eye part, but I wanted to do Nagini. I don't know. I know I didn't do great. I know, please don't judge, but I wanted to do Nagini with a Slytherin look, so hopefully you guys enjoy and you see where I'm coming from. And thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe down below, because when we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway of either a $40 palette and the blow dryer I got in my BoxyLux, or a Jeffree Star mystery box. So stay tuned for that. Stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.